Zero DTE options, the fastest trades in the market. Why is zero DTE trading exploding right now? Because traders are seeing 2x, 5x, even 10x returns in just minutes or hours. But before you dive in, let's break down what zero DTE options are, how they work, why they move so fast, the risks you need to watch out for. What are zero DTE options? Zero DTE stands for 0 days to expiration. That means these options expire today. Instead of tracking daily or weekly price movements, traders are making decisions minute by minute. Why do traders love them? They're cheaper. You don't need a big account to trade them. They're fast-moving. A small stock move can cause a huge percentage change. No overnight risk. You're in and out the same day. Let's compare costs. Imagine a stock QQQ is trading at $349.20. A 0 DTE 350 call option costs $1.10, gives $110 total. An 81-day 350 call option costs $16, gives $1,600 total. See the difference? Same stock, same strike price. Way cheaper for 0 DTE. Why do 0 DTE options move so fast? Because they're super sensitive to stock price changes. Example, if QQQ moves $1, here's what happens. 0 DTE option gains or loses 45%. 18-day option moves 7%. 81-day option moves 3%. That's why 0 DTE options can skyrocket or disappear instantly. Real example, SPY 0 DTE call option. On October 6, 2023, SPY started at $422 and surged to $431. A 420 to call option started at $1.20, gives peak at $9. That's 9x return. A 430 call option went from pennies to $1.20. That's 100x return before crashing to $0. If you're on the right side of the trade, you can make huge gains. But if the stock moves against you, your option can go to zero fast. The hidden enemy, time decay. 0 DTE options lose value every second. Even if you're right about direction, you can still lose money if the move happens too late. So should you trade 0 DTE options? They offer huge opportunities, but also huge risks. To trade them successfully, manage risk carefully. Only trade what you can afford to lose. Use stop losses, lock in profits, and protect yourself. Trade with a plan. React fast, but don't trade on emotions. Want to master 0 DTE trading? Follow us to learn more.